So I've been trying to make this video about Pewdiepie versus T-Series and how T-Series took the #1 spot.
No, he's back to #1. He's back to #1. He's ahead by like 300,000.
Exactly, out of nowhere he started, getting subs again. So the plan was to ask people if they're still going to support Pewdiepie even if he's second. But now he's back to first again, so I don't have to ask anyone. Well, are you guys subscribed to Pewdiepie still?
You're out of content. Your life's a lie. You got nothing to create. Can you just shut the fuck up?
So are we all subscribed to Pewdiepie?
Should be. Every one of us.
Hell yeah, dude. So we're all definitely subscribed to Pewdiepie.
We are all subscribbled.
Hey Oblick, do you want to tell your mate to join the voice chat too?
Yeah.
You sound like a South African drug lord.
What if I am?
I was gonna come to the game, make a video or whatever, because Pewdiepie was the second most subscribed T-Series overtook him. If we all gonna still pledge, loyalty to Pewdiepie, but now he still has a 250,000 sub gap on them again. So it's just, don't know what to do, fellas.
Can you stop?
Are we all subscribed to Pewdiepie?
I am.
Fantastic. That's what life's about. Yeah.
Whoa!
I'm ready for a suck.
Whoa!
You win.
Are we all subscribed to Pewdiepie?
Mate,
That's it. That's exactly the kind of mentality we need to have. So do we think like Torbjorn's related to Pewdiepie? They're both Swedish.
Yeah, honestly, that Muslim terrorist thing, yeah, it's pretty
No,
fucked up,
can't put that in the video. Can you not? Hey, do we think that Torbjorn's related to Pewdiepie?
That's a weird question.
Surely he is, right? They're both Swedish.
No, yeah, I agree. Sure.
Cool.
You know, Pewdiepie accidentally put on a whole KKK costume one time on stream.
Yeah, he really did.
Yeah, that happened, by the way.
Yeah, okay.
What? Did you say is PewDiePie related to Torbjorn?
Yeah, I mean they're both Swedish, right?
Absolutely. There is no question in my mind.
What do we think? Is that the consensus?
Yeah, no, definitely related to Torbjorn.
So this is it. Thanks for sticking with my channel. Ever since I was a nobody screaming at barrels. Yeah, this is it. It's been an adventure. It's the end of the reign of Felix Arvid of Schallberg. Through all the change and controversy, you've been by my side. There's no army in the world. I would rather give me watch time. It's been a wild ride, so while I can still be heard, here's one last bro fist from the #1 in the world.